'cause tonight we are losing this fight. Oh hell, so tonight is no one outside.
Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you the best app to watch movies and TV shows. MovieBox app is the popular online movie streaming app that lets the users to watch all the latest TV programs and movies in HD quality. Now, MovieBox was shut down unexpectedly about a month ago, leaving hundreds of thousands of fans shocked and surprised. There are numerous alternatives available, but most fans still haven't found a platform as refined, intuitive, and optimized as MovieBox. However, a new app called MovieBox Pro is trying to become the new favorite destination for the original MovieBox lovers. The Pro app describes itself as the best app to watch movies and TV shows on mobile. It has a collection of more than 10,000 movies and TV shows, and the library is updated daily. All the content is free to watch and users will have to bear with ads. The MovieBox Pro app offers multi-audio switching and multi-language subtitle switching. It also promises high-speed content delivery without any lag. The app uses the latest H.265 encoding. Users can also download all movies and TV shows on their devices for offline viewing. Now, go to appvalley.vip within the Safari browser, and click Install App Valley. You should get a pop-up asking you if you want to install the App Valley app on your device. Tap on the Install button, and the app should begin to install on your device like a normal App Store application. Open the App Valley app. You should now see a list of all the applications that are available to be downloaded. Find the app named MovieBox Pro and tap on it. This should bring you to the app's install page. On the install page, tap the Get button next to the icon. A pop-up should appear asking if you want to install the app. Tap on Install. It should now begin installing. Once the app has been installed, it might not open due to an untrusted enterprise developer error. To solve this, open the Settings app and navigate to General Device Management. Tap one of the menus within this page until you find the one containing the MovieBox app you downloaded. Tap Trust twice and the app will become trusted. You should now be able to open and use the MovieBox app on your device. That's all. This is the easy process to download and install MovieBox app on your iOS devices. Hope this guide has helped you to get this app for streaming your loving TV shows and movies for free of cost.